Alright guys, we're back at it again. Conrad reels in. We're back at Lake Conroe. Day 3 out here. We're crappie fishing again. Might do a little bit of worm action for the bass and just hanging out. Alright, we're throwing minnows on those Zebco 202 combos. So I'll let y'all know when we get the first bite. Got one today. Please don't get hung up. Oh, fuck. Damn, bruh. He's hung up on some pipes down there. Just gonna break the line. Damn it! Come on, come on. There it is. There he is. Got him. You? Slab. Slab right there. Nice little crappie to start off the day. Well, we'll get back to you when we get the next one. Got a bass on the... Woo! Hell yeah. Set that hoe right through his mouth. Yeah. Dude. Oh, he was teasing me too. Not a bad one. It's bigger than yesterday. He was teasing me, bro. And I just let him, I dropped my rod down, set that hook hard, just bang. Yeah, and I had to set, and I was running it weedless on that time too. I caught it right there too, yeah. The water's up too. Nice one, guys. So we just found a giant hawk eat this bird. So my dad wanted me to come over here. Oh my God. Dude, I saw a big old snake. I almost stepped on it. Look at that thing. Dang, bro. Well, we only caught one bass. Did you catch anything over there?
I had one that was under the cobalt. He let it go.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Did you go down the riprap side? That's where I'd go. That's where they keep fishes.
Yeah. I'll take a break and then go back. All right, we'll hit you up when we get the next fish. All right, guys. Final count today was 2 crappie, one bass. Caught the bass on a Zebco, crappie on minnows. It was all right day. We only fished for about an hour and a half. Gotta go to dinner with the people, so it was all right, but we'll have a better one. Hopefully we can go pond fishing soon or go do something, but Lake Conroe, perfect. All right, see y'all later in the next one.